Looks like the waves are off. Every time I'm always here, they're always going. Looks like they have something new in the pipeline. I still think it's crazy that this construction started on either opening day or media day for Icebreaker. Here's another look at the pipeline coaster. I was thinking, it doesn't look too intense. Maybe I'll go. No. I don't do upside down. So I will not be going on this. Although, of all the coasters in Orlando, this is, for the most part, not looking like exactly the most intense. It's too much for me. From over here, I thought this band was on stilts. It's like, that's interesting. The band has microphones, unlike a Universal where they're just the instruments. That's probably the end of their set, isn't it? Are you done? Of course you are. Here we got some Cajun food. Cajun seafood, that is. Got some more Mardi Gras food. 12 beads for $5. That's of course without a discount, but... Or you can get these beads here, which also hold a shot glass. $38.99 for these. $19.99 for those. And that's all the Mardi Gras merchandise I've found here. Don't leave these on. Someone's going to take them home and the batteries are going to be dead. They have a band, but the band's not playing. I know it is. I guess that's a float. Good activity for kids. You can take a mask, take a, that's a cute one.